Hello 12th class. This is your chapter 13, your lecture number 1. Name of the chapter is Relational Database, Storing and Manipulating Records. So, in this class we will learn meaning of database, purpose of database, relational database model, component of a table. Now first we have to understand what is database. So database is a collection of information that is organized so that it can be easily accessed, managed and updated. So in database we store our record. For example, your attendance register, you are making notes of your any subject, you are creating a list of household items. So these all are the databases of a daily routine. Examples are these. Now first, what is DBMS? That is Database Management System. It is a software that is responsible for storing, manipulating, maintaining and utilizing database. A database along with a DBMS is referred to as a database system. So there are various DBMS software available in the market like Oracle, MS SQL Server, MySQL, Sybase, Postgre, SQL, SQLite. Now purpose of database. So database reduces redundancy. So in this it removes the duplicacy. It removes the duplication of data because data are kept at one place and all the applications refers to the centrally maintained database. Second is database controls inconsistency. It means when the two copies of the same data do not agree to each other, then it is called inconsistency. So by controlling redundancy, the inconsistency is also controlled. Next is data facilitate sharing of data. So data stored in the database can be shared among several users. Database ensures security. So data are protected against accidental or intentional disclosure to unauthorized person or the unauthorized modification. Next is database maintains integrity. So it forces the certain integrity rules to ensure the validity or correctness of data. For example, a date can't be like 2000. Next is database enforces standard. So database also maintains some standard format which help to data interchange or migration of data between two systems. So these are the some purposes of database, or you can also see the advantages of DBMS. Now relational database model. So in relational database model, data is organized into a table that is in the form of rows and columns. So these tables are known as the relations. A row in a table represents a relationship among a set of values. A column represents the field or attributes related to relation under which information will be stored. For example, if we want to store details of students, then roll number, name, class, section, etc. will be the column or attributes, and the collection of all the column information will become a row or a record. Now this is a sample table of department. In this you can see these department number, name, location. These are the columns, and in this particular field 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 are the records, or you can see these 4 are the rows of this table department. Now component of a table. First is a byte. So what is byte? That is a group of 8 bits and is used to store a character. Next is data item. So data item, that is the smallest unit of named data. It represents one type of information and often referred to as a field or column information. What is record? So it is a collection of data item which represent a complete unit of information. Next is table. So table is collection of all rows and columns. Now next is your table. In this table you can see this these are the fields: department number, D name and location. Now these four are the records, and in this these particular are the data items. Now some common RDBMS are, that is Oracle, MS SQL Server, MySQL, IBM DB2, IBM DB2 Informix, then SAP Enterprise, Sybase, SQLite, etc. Okay, so out of these, this MySQL and PostgreSQL and the SQLite are the open source implementation. Now these common RDBMS, first is the MySQL. So that run on the virtually all platforms including Linux, Unix or Windows. Popular for the web-based application and the online publishing. It is a part of LAMP, that is Linux, Apache, MySQL, PHP, Stack. Okay. Next is SQLite. It is also a relational DBMS, but it is not a client server database. In this engine, database engine rather, it is embedded into AND program. So arguably the most widely deployed database engine, as it is used by the several browsers, operating system and embedded systems like your mobiles. Next is PostgreSQL. So this is a general purpose object relational DBMS. It is the most advanced open source database system. It is a free and open source, that is source code is available under PostgreSQL license, that is a liberal open source license. So out of these you will study about MySQL in later chapters. Okay, so MySQL is in the syllabus. So we will cover all the chapters with the help of this MySQL. Now these are some common DBMS tools for mobile devices. So these are the name of the databases. Okay, these are the name, and out of these, this SQLite is public domain open source implementation. Now some various terms that is used in the relational model, that is relational model was developed by EF Code of the IBM and used widely in the most of the DBMS. So this relation, it means a table. This table is a matrix like structure arranged in rows or columns. It has the following properties, that is all items in a column are homogeneous, means it is of same data type. Each column assigned a unique name and must have atomic, that is indivisible value. So all rows of the relation are distinct, that is no two identical rows are present in the relation. Ordering of rows and columns are immaterial. So in this, what is domain? That is a collection of values from which the value is derived for a column. Next is tuple entity record. It is the rows of a table is called tuple or record. Next is attribute, that is column of a table is called your attribute. What is degree? That is number of columns, or we can say attributes in a table. Cardinality, number of rows or number of records in a table. Now next is your homework. So you can see this is a table. In this table you have to identify the following in the following table, that is degree of the table, then cardinality of the table, attributes of a table, what is tuple, then data types of book code and the price. Okay, as you have studied in Python. So thank you and have a nice day.